Hi folks, getting towards the end of July now, so it's the first time to pull up one of the outdoor potatoes grown in pots. So I think we'll give that one a go because it looks a bit withered and bit weedy. So we'll get that one a go. That's Jazzy, I think. So these will be the first ones that I've pulled up from outside. So we'll see what we've got. Well, right then folks, let's try this first pot. Grown in the soil and mollial soil and 50% sand. Oh, it's quite a weight. The moment of truth. This one did look a little bit weedy, to be honest, but we'll see. Let's have a look. Let's get rid of these leaves. Let's have a flop. Got a few small ones. I think I'm being a bit optimistic with my pot to put them in. We've got getting a few. Soil's very dry, even though it's really heavy. It's quite dry, so not a bad little crop so far. Nothing spectacular because, like I said, the weather's been foul, but at least we're getting some. So we'll use all this compost again next year. That's a mushy one. Use this soil, just add some more fertiliser. That's the beauty of it. So I don't have to pay for any new compost now. Just keep recycling this. Oh, we're getting a few. Not too bad. Quite small, but like I said, you can just eat these whole. I could probably give them a little bit more water, to be honest. But like I said before, I've not been up here much. I've had other things on, so they have been quite neglected. Not quite as good as the ones in the polytunnel, but they've been in the sunshine and in heat and getting watered every day. There's plenty of spuds. They're just a little bit on the small side, as you can see, so just need a little bit more time. Some of the other ones have got more leaves on, so there's plenty more time for them to grow. Oh, there's still plenty, so I'm not too disappointed. All the way up the pot, as you can see. Yeah, we're getting better now. It's pretty good. Just get this foliage out of the way. A few more dropping out. Oh yeah, we've got plenty, look. We've got plenty. So if these had been as big as the ones in the polytunnel, which have been growing a lot longer, then there'd be a massive crop, but it's still pretty decent. They're outside, and this year, yeah, they're still coming, look. Let's have a fertile through here. Like I said, I'm going to reuse my compost next year, so it doesn't cost me anything. So we'll just put a bit of this back in, see if we've missed a few. A few little ones. Still getting a few, look. So like I said, these are Jazzy. First time I've grown these this year. It's a soft one, or probably a seed potato. And they look quite a good variety. As you can see, there's a lot of tubers, so if you can get them a bit bigger, then you should get a really good crop. So I think that's about those done. That's not too bad, I don't think. So, should we weigh them? Might as well weigh them. I've got my scales somewhere. I've got a bag. I would say there's probably, getting on for £3 there. I wouldn't say there'd be any more. And I was getting almost that in the small pots in the polytunnel. These have only got 3 seed potatoes in, and the ones in the polytunnel have 2 seed potatoes in, so I should really expect maybe 50% more, but these haven't grown as long, so they're not going to be as big. So I'm guessing £3, maybe a little bit more. See if this works. Have a quick look. Set to pounds, unit, pounds. Let's have a weigh. £3.46, so just short of £3.5 there. Which is more than ample for a first pot. Like I said, I've got about another 6 or so to go at, so they should get bigger. and most of them have got more leaves on, so that should be alright. Anyway folks, that's my first little outdoor pot grown harvest from the molehill soil and 50% sand. So I'm pretty pleased with that. See you later.